The Health Services Authority, HSC, is Cayman Islands' main healthcare facility. They deliver comprehensive and compassionate world-class healthcare to the people of the Cayman Islands. This year, 5 teams compete for gold. The green team, integrity; the orange team, excellence; the blue team, responsibility; caring, the purple team; and respect, the red team. Who will be the winner? The team names reflect the core values of the hospital.
Alright, so guys, we're at the stadium. We're gonna see Leo around the 100 and the 200 meter.
The Truman Bodden Sports Complex is a multi-use complex in Georgetown, Cayman Islands. It is named after Truman Bodden, a former Caymanian politician. The complex is separated into an outdoor 6-lane 25-meter swimming pool, full-purpose track and field with basketball and netball courts. The field surrounded by the track is used for football matches as well as other field sports. The track and football stadium holds up to 3,000 people.
Good?
We probably pass like Asafa. Asafa still training, huh? Asafa train like him around same way. I have to keep fit. So probably a fast like Asafa. Me see when him Wadamaya, the run against Asafa.
Oh yeah.
Asafa basically walk and still win. The stadium big. Stadium really big. The music start. We've been waiting an hour now. No running as yet. Probably them in run soon. Hear the music, guys. Hey, 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 hey. Macarolia. Hey. Woo!
My God, Carrie, put him into shame, man.
Hey. At church alone, they go carry, you don't know the dance. That is not teach you to dance. A little hallelujah. That's why you must need to teach little boy to little dance move.
What is going to go on with the rest of that?
That did not teach you to dance, so you wouldn't know. Hey! If I get you that spirit, Leo. Woo! Lights! Oh, so they're gonna march. You have caring, you have the green team, integrity. I think responsibility is down there. You have the red team, so it's orange, purple, green, blue, and red. You have the Mario team. Kara have the Mario team, people. So they're cheering, guys. They're cheering. They're cheering, like screaming. Woo! But we're cheering for the purple team. That's Daddy's team. That's caring team. A lot of personal red team. Hear the song with them match too. And orange, go orange. I don't know you guys, but I was an orange team when I was going to high school. With respect.
The Republic of Integrity.
Integrity.
Republic of Caring.
Go Karen.
Republic of Excellence.
Excellent.
Olympic.
Yes guys, HSC also hospital, the public hospital on island.
For the millions around the world. And
Look
all
at your caretakers.
let us give them
Here to break it down and have some fun.
to the FSA Olympics. Track and field.
Health Service Authority. You go, guys.
Team responsibility. Make the noise. And the team for the Republic of Excellence. Make some noise.
And we better than everybody. So me will run where anybody.
Respect! Yeah, we respect! What you do is what you get. What? You ain't seen nothing yet. Stop now,
Yeah, they're cheering. I'm respecting it really well. Having fun. I love it. Alright, so I think respect went first and then responsibility. I love responsibility. I love them. I love that they cheered. Respect props were really good, but out of the two I'll choose the second team. They said that I should not cheer for an opponent, but I'm yet to see Karen. Alright, I think they're up next.
We are
Oh, sorry.
Let the wine come in. Girl, come wine for it. Sit, 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 sit.
With a score of
This is my husband's team.
25.
Karen. Then dress nice though.
All by the way of knockout. Only 5 wins.
Go excellent! Let's hear from Cargill, Leo. Cargill was my orange team in high school. They remind me of Cargill. Go excellence!
You see, this is sports day is all about excellence. And that it's all about excellence. What a way we are going left boot. We are not in them better get set. Cause we come to take truth.
Team over there now, guys. Responsibility. Yeah. Leah's gonna jump in some bags, guys. Go! Go, Karen! Alright, carry that third. Yes, we're gonna watch Daddy. Daddy's gonna jump. Daddy's right there. Daddy's gonna jump. He's in the purple top and white shorts, alright? Go, Leo! Woo! Jump, Leo! Get up. Good sportsmanship. Good sportsmanship. You look like you have to roll it next time. Daddy came dead last. How you feel, Leo?
Feeling good.
You feel good? Because dead last.
Dead last. It was fun, man.
Maybe I say, probably you last or last, you know. I want somebody to be in it.
And then the man come past me.
The man dropped me, you know.
Yeah,
And the
pass
man
me.
come past. What shall you?
Alright.
Different tactics here. One day. then drop and roll. At least one somebody have to drop in every race. Go purple! Pick it up. They're throwing, guys. Another winner, guys. I think he won the long throw. So yes, guys, a part of them skipping. They can skip really well. Alright. Go, girl. Girl is doing good. Big it up. Probably you guys are not seeing Mr. Young. Mr. Young is Go Karen! Woo! Woo! Go Karen! Amelona, Carol, look now, you see that is skipping? Go Leo! Go Leo! Go Leo! Jump Leo! Go Leo! Go Leo! Go Leo! Go Leo! Jump Leo! Woo! Go Leo! Go Leo! Go Leo! Jump Leo! You can jump! You can jump! Go Daddy! Go Leo! Woo! Good job! High five! Alright, so Leo redeem himself. Good job, Leo! Woo! You're a jumper! Another jumper! He's right there. You want to see Daddy? You see him right there. Daddy's going to get a medal. Okay? Yes, he won. He jumped the best.
That's you. Gold medal. You came first.
Is that the one for you?
That the one that for you, boy? What you? Mercy. Oh, this is the one then. You will start from the next one for you. Okay.
Okay. was 100-meter, you know. Let me zoom it up. Last 200-meter, and then after this is release. The big it up, guys. We are purple.
Sports Day to the fullest. Even though our team Karen did not win, we actually came in third. It was a blast to see all the healthcare workers having fun. Winner of the night was Team Respect, the red team. Leo even won a gold medal for his son. Young fam, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.